To contain the spread of COVID-19, new ordinances have been issued and many orders and regulations have been notified under various laws. In this video, we talk about what the laws say and how have they been invoked. Through the Essential Commodities Act, the government can declare certain commodities as essential and regulate its production, supply and distribution to make them available to consumers at a fair price. On March 13th, the Centre issued the Essential Commodities Order 2020 and declared masks and hand sanitizers as essential commodities until the end of June. The Centre later again capped the prices of hand sanitizers, masks and the fabric used in making masks. Similar orders followed from Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar in the same week. Under Madhya Pradesh and Bihar's orders, every dealer must display the price and stock of hand sanitizers, masks and other essential items near the store entrance. One of the main provisions of the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897 is that it empowers state governments to issue temporary regulations to prevent the outbreak if ordinary provisions of the laws in force are insufficient. Several states issued regulations using this act. Some state regulations such as Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh specified that information on COVID-19 cannot be printed or published without the prior permission of the State Health Department. Bihar's regulations made spreading of rumors or unauthenticated information with malified intent a punishable offense. Citing a need for consistency in the application and implementation of various measures related to containing the spread of COVID-19 across the country, the Disaster Management Act 2005 was invoked. Section 6 and Section 10 of the Act empowers the National Authority and the National Executive Committee to prescribe policies and guidelines for disaster management and ensure compliance with the central government directions. Referring to the MHA lockdown guidelines, the Ayush Ministry in April issued an order directing all state-level Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and homeopathy authorities to prevent and stop advertisements of Ayush-related claims for COVID-19 treatment in print, TV and electronic media. The rules classifies drugs under different schedules and provides guidelines for the storage, sale and prescription of each schedule. On March 26, the Centre issued an order directing that the retail sale of any preparation containing hydroxychloroquine must be done under the conditions specified in Schedule H1. Substances specified under Schedule H1 cannot be sold without a prescription by a registered medical practitioner. The Act gives powers to the central government to prohibit refusal to work in certain essential services such as the postal service and railways. Similar laws have been enacted at the state level. With the Andhra Pradesh Essential Services Maintenance Act 1971, the AP government in April declared all health facilities, doctors, nurses and health personnel, sanitation workers and health facilities as essential services for 6 months. Madhya Pradesh also issued an order prohibiting refusal to work in specified essential services.